All right. Hello, everybody. I'm here to talk to you about 3 new ideas to make money fast on YouTube in 2021. So before we're just going to get straight into it here. And in a moment, I'm going to share with you those ideas and what you can do with them. And they're amazing. But before we get into it, I want to talk to you a little bit about why you aren't making profit in 2021. So Facebook ad prices are going up. We all know that. 5 years ago, Facebook ad prices were a lot less expensive and there were less people on Facebook. Now there's 5 times as many people, yes, 5 times as many people on Facebook, and ads have gone up by 5 times the amount. And I'm just going to show you that because I did some looking here in 2017. um, Facebook ads were 27 cents per click, 27 cents per click in 2017. And here they are in 2021, 97 cents per click. Now, that isn't quite 5 times as much, but it's getting pretty close. And then also here, that I have is Google ad prices are going up as well. So to do advertising on Google costs a lot more money. In 2002, Google ad prices were 15 cents a click, and now they're $2 to $3 a click, sometimes 4 or 5. And I even seen one that was $6 a click here in here's the Google advertising prices by industry. So business to business is $3.33. As you can see, education, that type of thing. Legal is $6.75. Technology, $3.80 per click. So, and so yeah, the prices are going up for advertising. Facebook ads are getting banned. Ad accounts, full accounts are getting banned by big company accounts, because there was a Cambridge Analytica scandal in 2019, I believe it was, and Facebook has had pressure from governments now to get more true to what they do, and to get back to what they're originally doing. So they're getting, there's ad accounts that are getting banned for no reason. I've tried to put ads out there, and it takes sometimes weeks to get one ad approved, and you're going back and forth and you're changing the text and trying to figure it out what's going on. And there's of course companies that do that for you and help you out with that, but that costs money as well. So Facebook and Instagram posts are there today and gone tomorrow. So people will see a post, and if it doesn't catch their interest right away, they don't even think about it again. Like, when's the last time you came back to a post that you've seen 2 years ago, for instance? But now, so there is good news though. So here's what I said I'd share from the beginning of the video. Here's the 3 ideas to make money fast in 2021 on YouTube using affiliate marketing. So there's zero costs for this, guys. So sell stuff without filling up your garage or inventory. The commissions are very good. 20 to 30% for products, 40 to 90% for digital products. What I mean by products there is 20 to 30% for actual physical products like books or hot tubs, that type of thing. Sometimes it's a little bit less than that, but there's no cost to you. So you don't have an inventory, you don't have you don't need an inventory or anything like that. And it's an amazing way to do things. You don't have to deal with the customer support or anything of that nature, unless it's part of your affiliate agreement in some way. But anyways, so affiliate products, and then you find something that you're passionate about, you love to do, find an affiliate product that is in that passion, and then you're doing what you love every single day. It's so amazing. um Become familiar with a platform like groove.cm, and I'll post a link in the comments for that particular platform. You can create landing pages and funnels for people and then sell them. You know, it's amazing. And become familiar with it, learn a new skill is what I'm talking about. You could also use like on this side of things, there's click funnels or lead pages, things like that. I'm just most familiar with Groove, and I absolutely love it. The platform is amazing. So and then with all this, you can get free ads on Google in the number 1, 2, or 3 spot. So, you know, I was talking about Facebook and Google ad prices going up. Well, why not have free ads on Google? Google is the number 1 search engine in the world, and YouTube is the number 2 search engine in the world, and you can keep them there for years to come. So now my mentor, Paul Murphy, has done just this. And as you can see, sorry, I gotta go back one here. This is Paul Murphy on his webinar jam. Now it's been updated, but he did this back in 2017, and it's still here today on the Google search and the videos in the top 4. And that's in 2017. That's what, 4 years ago, just about 5 years ago now. Yeah, 4 years ago now, yes. And it's still there, and he's still earning money from it. No. So here's what Paul has put together. You can sign up for this free 10-part course. So that is here, and I'm so excited for this. So it's amazing. And so go to scottsentme.com/ATS course. That's scottsentme.com/ATS course. I'm going to put the link in the comments. Of course, if you like what you saw today, make sure to comment on the video. Let me know what ideas that you have, you know, in terms of YouTube, making money on YouTube. I really want to know. Let me know in the comments. And we'll see you on the next video, where I will be talking about, just a second here, I gotta bring it up because I didn't have it up, but I'll bring it up right now. And I'll let you know what I'm talking about. So I'll see you on the next one, and the next video I will be talking about. Wow. Just a minute here, and here we go. The wonders of doing YouTube videos. So anyways, yeah, and I'll be talking about oh, why are you not using YouTube to grow your business in 2021? Common myths and why they are not true. So we'll see you on that. Head on over to there right now, and we'll talk to you soon.